Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how to make profile pictures. And I like making them for my friends and stuff. So create new, this one, and you can pick your size and stuff. And yeah, so I like drawing on them. So I'm going to pick color white and color in the whole page. Then keep coloring until you get your perfect color. Then you pick your color that you want to draw on it or make your plan. And I'm going to shape tool, stars, and you can pick any shape or color you want. And you can use this toolbar to personalize them. And yeah, so you can draw stars and personalize the color. And let's do hearts are pink. And you can type, cut, change everything, and see, and you can make it black and white, autofix, but I just want to keep it simple. Add new text, then I'm going to make color black. Whoops. There, and you can move it around like that, and press save, download, and you can change the name and stuff. And there. Then it would just load, and you can always edit it when you want. Go home, and yeah, they all save. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell.